You guys like bully sticks? You like bully sticks? You like these things? 7-inch bully sticks? You like those? You like bully sticks, Molly? You want a bully? You want a bully stick? Hey, sit down. Sit down. OG, do you like bully sticks? You're not OG. Molly, do you like bully sticks? You do? You want one? Do you want a bully stick? You want a bully stick? Do you want... Hey, Molly, do you want a bully stick? Get over there and lay down. Just a minute. I can't open it and film you at the same time. These guys absolutely love bully sticks. I'm not lying at all.
Sit down. Wait.
Molly, wait. OG, wait.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Molly, wait.
You gotta make sure we seal it back up. Okay.
Good dogs.